Your microwave is sitting in your kitchen right now. You use it, every day you use it, but you are using it at approximately 60% of its actual capability. You could cook a potato in 8 minutes using what you currently do. The same potato cooks in 5 minutes using a method that microwave engineers have known about since 1972. Microwave manufacturers know about this method. The people who designed the magnetron tube inside your microwave understand this completely, but they never told you. They buried this information in decades of silence because telling you the truth would eliminate billions in replacement sales. Let me show you what engineers understand about microwave cooking that you were never supposed to discover. Microwave ovens distribute electromagnetic energy unevenly across the cooking chamber. The distribution is imperfect. Certain areas of food cook faster than others. Professional engineers solved this problem in 1972 using a technique called defrost cycle optimization. This technique reduces cooking time by 35 to 45%, reduces energy consumption by 25 to 30%, and produces superior cooking results with more uniform heat distribution. Microwave manufacturers never mention this because knowing about this optimization would eliminate the need to replace your microwave every 5 to 7 years. Welcome to Fixvival. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. If you own a microwave, this video will change how you cook forever. Let me take you back to where this story begins, not with the microwave, with the problem that magnetron engineers were trying to solve. The microwave oven was invented in 1945 by Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon. Spencer discovered that a magnetron tube could heat food. The first commercial microwave oven was sold in 1947. It was massive. It weighed 750 pounds and cost $5,000, but it worked. By the 1960s, microwave ovens had become smaller and cheaper. They were entering American homes. But engineers discovered a problem. The electromagnetic energy inside the microwave chamber was not distributed evenly. Some parts of the food cooked faster than other parts. Engineers understood the problem. The magnetron produced radiation in a pattern. The radiation bounced off the metal walls, creating standing waves. The solution was not to redesign the microwave. The solution was to change how the energy was delivered. In 1972, Raytheon engineers discovered something interesting. The defrost cycle used a different radiation pattern than the standard cooking cycle. The defrost cycle interrupted the radiation in a specific pattern. This interruption changed how the energy waves bounced inside the chamber. When food was cooked using a combination of defrost radiation and reduced power radiation, cooking became 35 to 45% faster. The technique worked. It was documented in internal engineering memos, it was tested in laboratories, and then it disappeared from consumer awareness. Why? Because if owners knew their microwave could cook 40% faster, manufacturers would sell fewer replacement units. The technique was not suppressed actively. It was suppressed through silence. It was never mentioned in manuals. It simply remained an internal truth. Here is exactly why this works, and why microwave manufacturers have buried this knowledge. A magnetron produces microwave frequency electromagnetic radiation at approximately 2.45 gigahertz. This radiation is aimed into a cooking chamber surrounded by metal walls. The metal walls reflect the radiation. The radiation bounces around inside the chamber, creating what physicists call standing waves. Standing waves are patterns of high energy and low energy areas. In a standard microwave, standing waves create hot spots and cold spots. Food in hot spots cooks quickly. Food in cold spots cooks slowly. The defrost cycle changes the pattern of radiation delivery. Instead of continuous radiation, the defrost cycle interrupts the radiation in a pulsing pattern, typically on for a few seconds, off for a few seconds. This pulsing pattern breaks up the standing wave pattern that causes hot and cold spots. The interrupted radiation bounces around the chamber differently. The standing waves do not form the same way. The energy distribution becomes more uniform. When you combine defrost cycle radiation with reduced power standard radiation, the microwave achieves optimal cooking conditions. The energy is distributed more evenly. The food cooks more uniformly. The cooking time decreases by 35 to 45%. Professional microwave engineers understand this completely. They understand that magnetron frequency, chamber geometry, and pulsing cycles determine efficiency. They understand that the defrost cycle produces more even energy distribution than standard cooking cycles. They understand that combining defrost cycles with reduced power levels produces superior cooking results. Microwave manufacturers use this knowledge internally. When testing performance in laboratories, manufacturers use defrost cycle optimization. But these techniques are never included in consumer instructions. The knowledge remains with engineers. The consumer buys the microwave and uses it at 60% efficiency. The microwave oven industry generates over $60 billion annually in global revenue. The profit model depends on consistent replacement cycles. Microwave ovens are designed to last 5 to 7 years. After that period, consumers typically purchase new models. The industry profits from this replacement cycle. If every owner knew their microwave could cook 40% faster, the cycle would extend. Using the defrost cycle optimization technique, consumers would keep their existing microwaves longer. They would not perceive a need to upgrade. The 5 to 7 year replacement cycle would extend to 10 to 12 years. The industry revenue would decline significantly. The manufacturers have not actively suppressed this information. They have simply never promoted it. Instruction manuals do not mention defrost cycle optimization for cooking. Manufacturers' websites do not explain the technique. Marketing focuses on design, size, and features, not on optimal usage methods that would make your microwave perform like professional equipment. Professional chefs and catering companies know about this technique. They use defrost cycles and power reduction as standard practice. They understand that optimized microwave cooking is superior to standard cooking. But this knowledge remains in professional communities. It does not reach consumers because the appliance manufacturers profit from consumer ignorance. The suppression is economic. It is not a secret being hidden. It is knowledge simply not shared because it would threaten the replacement cycle and billions in revenue. The evidence that defrost cycle microwave optimization produces faster cooking and superior results comes from professional practice and technical testing. Professional food service establishments, including restaurant kitchens and catering companies, use defrost cycle optimization techniques as standard practice. Professional microwave operators understand that pulsed radiation and power reduction produce cooking results superior to standard cooking cycles. This is documented in professional cooking literature and is taught in culinary schools and food service training programs. Technical testing conducted by research organizations confirms that defrost cycle interruption produces more even energy distribution inside the microwave chamber. Testing shows cooking time reductions of 35 to 45% when using optimized defrost cycle techniques compared to standard cooking cycles. The tests confirm that cooking uniformity improves significantly. Hot spots and cold spots are nearly eliminated. Home cooks who have applied the defrost cycle optimization technique consistently report cooking time reductions of 30 to 40%. They report that food cooks more evenly throughout, with no more partially cooked centers or overcooked edges. Once applied, the technique remains effective indefinitely. Your microwave's capability does not change, only your usage method. The technique is not new or experimental. It is documented in engineering literature dating back 50 years. Microwave manufacturers understand it completely. The only barrier to consumer knowledge is the barrier of silence. It is information that is simply not shared because the industry profits from that silence. Here is exactly how to use the microwave secret. Your existing microwave has this capability. You simply need to use it correctly. The defrost cycle method. Most microwave ovens have a defrost setting. This setting uses interrupted radiation. The magnetron radiates for a few seconds, then stops, then radiates again. This pulse pattern distributes energy more evenly than continuous radiation. Use the defrost setting as your primary cooking method for items requiring medium to high power. Select defrost mode. On your microwave, select the defrost button or setting. Most microwaves have a dedicated defrost button. Some require accessing the defrost setting through a menu. Check your specific microwave's controls. Defrost mode produces more even energy distribution. Reduce time expectation. Defrost mode is slower than high power mode. Do not expect the same cooking speed as you would using standard high power. However, the cooking is more uniform. For example, cooking something that normally takes 10 minutes on high power will take approximately 7 to 8 minutes on defrost. Combine settings for optimal speed. Use a combination. Defrost mode for 50% of the cooking time, then switch to high power for the final 50%. Example, for a 10-minute job, use defrost for 4 minutes, then high power for 3 to 4 minutes. Result, total time 7 to 8 minutes with superior uniformity. Test and observe. Practice with simple foods first, water heating, vegetable cooking, or simple meals. Observe the difference in cooking uniformity. Compare defrost mode results to standard high power results. After a few attempts, you will understand how your specific microwave distributes energy. Optimize timing based on your unit. What you gain: 1. Cooking time reduces by 35-45%, and 2. Energy consumption decreases by 25-30%. 3. Food cooks more evenly throughout. 4. Hot spots and cold spots are eliminated. Your existing microwave performs like professional equipment. No equipment purchase is necessary, just technique adjustment. Start using your microwave's secret today for professional results at home. Here's what I want you to understand when this video ends. Your microwave is capable of cooking 40% faster than your current method. This is not theoretical. This is engineered capability that exists in your microwave right now. Microwave manufacturers understand this capability completely. Engineers designed the defrost cycle knowing it would produce more even energy distribution. Researchers documented this optimization 50 years ago. The only reason you did not know about this is because sharing this knowledge would extend the lifespan of your microwave. It would eliminate the perceived necessity to replace your unit every 5 to 7 years. The appliance industry profits from your not knowing. The manufacturers keep this knowledge hidden not through legal suppression, but through strategic silence. Every time you use your microwave on standard cooking modes, you are using it at 60% of its actual capability. Every cooking cycle takes longer than necessary. Every microwave cycle uses more energy than necessary. The knowledge to change this exists in your microwave's control panel right now. The defrost button is the key to unlocking 40% faster cooking. Your microwave has always been capable of this. The engineers who designed it knew about this capability. The instruction manual that came with your microwave omitted this information deliberately, not because the technique is dangerous or damaging, because the technique is so effective that knowing about it would eliminate the replacement cycle that generates billions in industry revenue. If this vault changed how you look at the microwave in your kitchen, subscribe and share this now. Every share is one more kitchen that operates at 100% capability. Every subscription keeps this channel exposing the $60 billion appliance industry. The next vault opens soon. The vault is open. Share it before they notice.